Good day everyone. Today we are going to prepare chicken pepper soup. We have our already washed and cut chicken. We have 3 types of pepper here. We also have our ginger, we have our garlic, we have our onion, and here is our scent leaf. And the next ingredient is our African nutmeg. I have this one peeled already, and the unpeeled African nutmeg. So we are going to blend the one that I have peeled already. And we have our Aidan, we have Negro pepper here. We have a seasoning salt, crayfish. Now we will start by picking our scent leaf. I will do the picking behind the camera, wash, and we'll come back and cut it. Now I'm done cutting it. And the next thing is to wash our pepper. Remove the seed, wash the ginger, and transfer it into a blender. I'm going to blend it behind the camera. I'm also going to transfer our African nutmeg into a blender, and I'll also add our Negro pepper to it. I'm going to blend these two together, and I'll be back soon. Our pepper is ready, and also our African nutmeg and Negro pepper. Next is to transfer our meat into a pot. Add the blended pepper, ginger, garlic, our crayfish, seasoning, salt, Aidan. Add our African nutmeg and Negro pepper. I'm not going to add water at this point. I will cover it to boil and later check to know if there will be any need to add water. Now we can see even without adding water, but at this point I will add some water and cover it to cook very well. Now we'll check, stir, and add our scent leaf. Stir it, then cover it to steam for about 3 to 4 minutes. We also have our rice boiled and waiting for the chicken pepper soup. At this point, I would like to taste the pepper soup. Wow! Everything is okay and the pepper soup is set. Doing this different from the normal tomato stew is not bad, and I believe you'll give this a try. Thanks for watching to the end of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and turn on your notification button. Thank you. Bye bye. See you some other time when I post my next video.